Hello babies, it was lunchtime, the break is over and it's rainy, and I hope one of the guys wanna make a video from the packing day. And this is how it looks like when we are finished and clean everything. And you can see here's the weight. We need to pack it. One of these boxes 10 kilograms. The other one was for the beaches. They have like this one, and they are different size. And the machine make the sortation. I don't know what to say. And yeah, then we pack everything and it comes on a truck, and we have a lot. There are all the beaches. That looks like a storm. Oh my goodness. Oops. Oh my god. The world goes down. Oh my god. It starts to hagel. Is that right? Hagel. I hope they will not so big that my car can damage. You never know in Australia. Can you hear that? The dog is barking non-stop. But I think because of the weather. Can you see that? Oh, that's so storm weather. Yeah, I want to do now my workout. And yeah, do something for the line because I ate so much. Oh my god. I sweat extremely, and today is the 5th February. It means that I start my journey today from 1 year ago. It was the best decision of my life. I'm so happy and glad that I did it. It was not easy because I was so stressed. I finished my bachelor degree and I worked non-stop. And yeah, and now 1 year is over. I know that I grow so much. I never grow in this time in Germany because I grow like, I don't know, like 10 years in Germany. I need to grow how I grow up here for 1 year, what I did alone with the car and all the roads and all the issues with the car, and yeah, the visa problem, the language barrier, everything. I'm happy, and I think I can be proud on myself that I am on this point where I am, and I hope I can say the same in 1 year again, and let's see what the next year brings in Australia. The dog is barking non-stop. I don't know why, because normally he barks only when someone is here who's not from the family. I wish you a good night, babies, and tomorrow is my last vlogging day. Then I vlogged 666 days. Oh my god. Good night.